Hello there, this video is to help you access your free license for Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel, etc., any Microsoft Office products while you're enrolled at Insight. So even if you're using a non-school issued laptop, you do have access to these programs. The most frequently asked question I get around this is someone's using their own Mac, their own Apple computer, and like, well, I don't have Microsoft Office, so it's hard for me to do the assignments. You do have access to it. So if you take a look here, we're just going to scroll down on this. You can see that there are install instructions for Microsoft Office 2016. Some of the beginning of this install help will look a little bit old because it's from our old platform, but after about step 2 it looks pretty much identical. If you want this whole PDF, it can be really helpful. Just send me an email. I'll shoot it to you. Your academic advisor should also have this, but I'd be happy to send it to you. So this is where I'm talking about. You got to start by locating your Office 365 student email address and password. So you have to be able to access your student email to get this process started. Now, this looks different than it does now with our system update, but you know where to click on your email, I'm assuming so far, because that's main correspondence option for this school. So you have to have your student email and your password to get in. So that's just basic. Scrolling down a little bit. So if you're starting from scratch, the main login screen to get into the school, got to do that. A little bit farther down, you're going to see, and this is where it looks different again. Instead of messages on our old platform, there's a little mail icon towards the top right corner of our current high school landing page. A little letter, looks kind of like this, different color, right about here when you're logging in. Once you do that, you can get to your student email. And near the top left corner, once you've accessed your student email, you're going to see this. The little red box around it is not part of it. It's for highlighting purposes on this. Office 365. If you click on that, this will pop up. Now you can either access from this point the web versions of these Microsoft Office programs and just use them right there without downloading them to your computer, or you can download them directly to your computer and your license will work as long as you're enrolled with us. So depending on what you have, a Mac or a PC, these are your install instructions. This is what it'll look like. So scrolling down a little farther, there's specific information for your computer. So if you have a PC, got to identify if it's a 32 or 64-bit. And this is if you're downloading the software, not using the web version. Okay. So I'll pause on this if you want to take a screenshot of that. Again, you can always just email me and ask me for this document. It's not secret information. I can hand it out to you because this stuff doesn't work if you're not enrolled with us. So it's not a licensing issue otherwise. Scrolling down, you're going to see the next step here for Windows 10. The first picture was for Windows 7. Highlighted, letting you know what you've got, 32 or 64-bit operating system. Scrolling down a little further, you're going to see the actual install info here. The next step after that, we're getting close to the end here, is for the Mac. So that was it for the PC, for getting it installed on your computer. Now, for if you have a Mac, an Apple product, it looks like this. Okay, so again, if you need to take screenshots, I'll pause here. But there you go, locating your operating system. Install instructions, again, highlighting that. Highlighting other installs. Next step is to select install. This is where you could, have it on your iPad, iPhone. I don't know about troubleshooting for all that stuff. I haven't had anyone try with their iPhone, at least not that I know of. But theoretically it should work. And then you got to activate it. So it's the initial time. And this is where I'm talking about. Like, this is the license part. So you do not have to pay for this. Being enrolled in our school allows you free licensing while you're enrolled with us. So you do need to know your email address for the school, your password, and if you do, which you should, you can get into this, okay? And that's the end of it. So if you want this document, all you got to do is send me an email. I will shoot it to you, and that is it for help installing or using on the web form Microsoft Office and the available programs we have for completing, primarily for completing TGAs, teacher-graded assignments, in this school.